Error 0xc004f025. Access denied. The requested action requires elevated privilege. I was trying to activate Windows 10 and then I start getting this error. So I thought about why not share this with other people, folks like you, so that you could potentially get some advantage out of it. Some people on the internet are thinking that this is the error that is related to only with activation. Actually, it's not. It's you could see this error on other different things too. Like if you are trying to add printers, if you are trying to modify any system files, it all depends when operating system is trying to call a system file from a system32 folder. That's when it prompts for this error. So it's very simple. It's nothing major. If you are trying to reactivate or rearm the operating system, the command line is slmgr.vbs -rearm. That's what I was trying to do, and I was getting this error. So to do that, all you got to do is basically run the command prompt with the admin rights. To do that, just click on the search box, do cmd, right click, run as admin, and you would see a USC window. Click yes, and now anything that you are going to run on this window with the and the difference is that if you were running as a user, a basic user, you would see this as a CMD command prompt. But with the admin, you're going to see the top title of the window is administrator, a command prompt. Now, if you run the same, I'm not going to go ahead and run because I don't want to rearm my Windows 10, but this should not have basically any kind of problem. I hope that you like this very short video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want to learn more in detail about SCCM and want to get into IT field, you might want to follow my another channel. I put the link to that channel in the description. Thank you so much.